Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will vectorize my Bulbasaur drawing in Adobe Illustrator. Try to make your drawing in your own style. It doesn't need to be perfect. Three, two, one. Process starting. Let's create a new document. Make it 840 by 600 pixels and color mode RGB. Rename your document as the current project. To import your sketch, go to File and Place. Click and drag it, and set it in the middle of your canvas. Lower the opacity to 50%. Lock this layer and name it Background. Create a new layer, and name it Linework. Select Zoom tool so you can zoom in and out the artboard. Select Pen tool. Select No Fill and change the stroke to black. I will use a 3-point stroke size. Make sure to check the round cap and round join boxes. Click once and then set another point by clicking and drag. You can turn on or off the smart guides. Go to View menu and check or uncheck them. You can adjust the anchor points while holding Command or Control. Let's continue the project in the same way using the Pen tool. Drag the Live widget so you can round up this end of the shape. Click and drag to select everything. Select the Shape Builder tool. Then, while holding Option or Alt, click once to delete the unnecessary pieces. Create a new layer and name it Color. And make sure is underneath the Linework layer. Click and drag to select everything. Click this button and drag it in the color layer while pressing Option or Alt. Now lock this layer. Click once to create the desired shapes. Select this shape. Then go at, select, Same, Fill Color. This will select all shapes with the same fill color. Press Command or Control X to cut them from the artboard. Hide this layer. Delete the remaining shapes and lines. Press Shift and Command or Control plus V to paste them back in place. Select the created shapes, and make sure that they have no stroke. Choose a light color fill. Select the Width tool. Now click and drag in the middle for a thicker or thinner stroke. Then close up the sides. This way you will have a nicer effect in the final result of your project. You can pause the video here to see all the color codes I have used for this character. Select the eyedropper tool. Put your sketch on the side, as reference. Create a new layer above the color layer, and name it Shadows. Lower the opacity to 50%. Delete your sketch. So far, so good. Now I will add details to his eyes. Select everything and expand. Now open Pathfinder and select Merge. Select Rectangle tool and drag the shape across the whole artboard. Project complete. Congratulations. If you made it until here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so we can meet again. Thank you and see you around.